Welcome. If you've been missing those important audio call rings on Snapchat, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk you through how to unmute audio call rings on Snapchat with these simple steps. First, grab your Android device and open the Snapchat app. Once you're in, look for your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it to access your profile. Now, to find the settings, you'll need to tap the gear icon, which is also located in the top right corner. This takes you to your settings menu where all the magic happens. Next, scroll down a bit and look for the notifications option. Tap on that to dive into your notification settings. This section is crucial for managing how you receive alerts from Snapchat. Now here's the important part. Look for the option marked Ring. Make sure this is marked or toggled on. This setting ensures that you receive audio call notifications, keeping you in the loop whether your friends are calling you or sending messages. And that's it. With these easy steps, you can unmute those audio call rings on Snapchat and never miss a beat. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.